In today's video, I'm going to teach you to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. If you've ever filmed handheld and ended up with shaky footage, stabilization can make a huge difference. It smooths out unwanted camera movements so your video looks more professional and easier to watch, all without refilming or using extra gear. Begin by opening CapCut on your desktop. Once the app loads, create a new project so you're working in a clean editing space. This brings you to the main editor with the timeline at the bottom, a preview window, and panels for your media and clip settings. Now import the video you want to stabilize into this project. Importing simply brings your footage into CapCut so you can work with it in the editor. Next, click your video to select it. Make sure the clip is highlighted so CapCut knows which footage you want to adjust. When a clip is selected, you'll see its settings appear in the panel on the right side of the screen. Look for the basic section. This is where you'll find foundational controls for your clip, including the stabilization option we need. Inside the basic section, tick the option labeled Stabilize Video. The moment you enable it, CapCut begins analyzing your footage and applying stabilization. This process uses the motion in your video as a reference to counteract shake and jitter. Depending on your computer and the length of your clip, it may take a little time. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator, and once it completes, your preview will update with the stabilized result. A quick note about what's happening behind the scenes. Stabilization often works by subtly repositioning and slightly zooming your image to compensate for movement. That means you may notice a small crop around the edges of your frame. This is normal and is part of how the software removes visible shake without leaving black borders. The stabilization effect is especially helpful for walking shots, handheld pans, or telephoto footage where minor movements are more noticeable. After stabilization is enabled, play the clip in the preview to see how much smoother it looks. If your footage was very shaky, the improvement can be dramatic. For moderately shaky clips, expect a clean, natural look with fewer jitters. Keep in mind that extremely fast or erratic motion can still be challenging, but this feature usually delivers a significant upgrade with a single click. That's all there is to it. You've opened CapCut, created a new project, imported your video, selected it, gone to the basic settings, and ticked Stabilize Video. Enjoy your smoother footage, and thanks for watching.